Cutsy, where's Emily? Where's Emily? Is she here? Look out the window. Look out the window. Is she here? Do you see her, Ernie? Do you see her? Cutsy, is Emily here? Look and see if Emily's here. Is she here? Is she here? Do you see her? Do you see her? Where is she? Ernie, do you see her? Do you see her? Is she not home yet? Say, Emily. Is her bus here? Is her bus here? Is her bus here, Cutsy? Do you see her bus? Do you see her bus? Do you see her bus? Cutsy, do you see her bus up there? Cutsy, where's her bus? Oh, Ernie, he's digging over here a hole. He thinks he's going to find her over here somewhere. I'll get her, he says. Ernie, are you digging for Emmy? Are you digging for her? Where is she? Where are you, Ernie? Where's Emmy? Where's Emmy? Is she here? Is she here, Cutsy? Where is she? Ernie, do you see her? Jordan, look at Ernie. Cutsy, where's Emmy? Where is she? Do you see her?
I'm glad you know he cares.
Cutsy, where is she? He must care. Look at that little tail going.